Bullish SPEL token, SPEL, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.002350 and $0.004438 by 2030. Market experts accept SPEL could reach $0.001827 by 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000418. SPEL token, SPEL, presentation SPEL token, SPEL, is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin $MIM, Sorcery Web Cash. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi, decentralized money, space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like AV, since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Sushi and different Bend-Arch tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier, LP, tokens to cultivate SPEL tokens. The undertaking was established by Danielle Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money, decentralized market producer, and Wonderland, Olympusdao fork, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are Zeros Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and all in all recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the idiosyncratic name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. Abracadabra.money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credits. Nonetheless, Abracadabra is special in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, IBTs, a sort of liquidity supplier, LP, token as guarantee. These IBTs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money, DeFi, space. They produce constant returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This advancement assists set Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with enjoying SPEL token and enchantment web cash, $MIM, aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. The Abracadabra environment addresses the freshest class of decentralized finance stages. DeFi 2.0. DeFi 1.0 time relied upon leasing liquidity like remunerating yield ranchers in return for liquidity, while DeFi 2.0 underlines convention-claimed liquidity or POL. Fundamentally, in the event that you apply for a line of credit in the stage, your security bears interest, making it a self-reimbursing credit. SPEL token is the stage's local money in light of the Ethereum blockchain. However, a lot higher in amount than MIM, these coins are really tracked down, less regularly available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes in regards to changes on the responsible stage's updates. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with ordinary stakeholding, the more capital they promise, the more prominent their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. SPEL token is as of now worth $0.000522 United States dollars. SPEL has moved 5.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,089,599. SPEL token is as of now positioned 387 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $52,542,590 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token, SPEL, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant SPEL token, SPEL, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2023 SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, SPEL. The SPEL cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.000783. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000731 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000627. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, SPEL token SPEL cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0.001305. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SPEL's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.001044 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.001149. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.001827 and SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.001671 and a low of $0.001566 in 2025. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2026, assuming that SPEL token effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.002350 with a base cost of $0.002089 and a typical cost of $0.002193. SPEL token, SPEL, value expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.002715 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.002611 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0.002872. SPEL token, SPEL, value forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.003237. In the event that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.003394. Neglecting to assemble the help SPEL needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.003133. SPEL token, SPEL, value forecast 2029.